Brad, I think you might want to check your mic for jackhammers or something. This is bad.
Okay, so
Wait, what'd you say, Nick? I couldn't hear you over that jackhammer.
What?
I couldn't hear you over the jackhammer.
Anyway, me and Brianna are apparently named our children Tariq and Mathamray.
Tariq and Mathamray?
What's going on?
What the fuck? Oh, I gotta... sorry, Brad. It's for your own good.
Oh. You take both of them. Oh my god, my head. Anyways, I got 20 minutes until the people come back through here and pick up the stuff. So let's do a quick match. I'm thinking I should like put on some tighter pants so that way when I'm carrying shit my pants don't fall down. I legit have no pants that fit me except for like 2 pairs. I already invited everyone, you join mine.
I'm in yours.
Thank you.
This is Team Deathmatch. Set it to free for all.
What I'm gonna do. That's so. Like I'm constipated, man. That's how I felt. It won't go away, but at the same time, it's not really there. You know, like you can feel it, man. It's about to happen. But then just all goes to shit. Literally. Oh, hey, it's off. Okay, good. Let's do this. Dude, you know what I should do since I have, my airsoft gun, right? It's a pistol.
Yeah, I didn't know you.
I should walk out to the guy. I have a bandana, dude. I should be like, fuck your shit. Yeah. You know. Oh, wait, we have a little kid in here.
We don't.
Oh, we don't? Alright, my bad. Hey, I'm Brad, join the game. I only have like 20 minutes. Oh, I'm Brad, did you interfere with that jackhammer in your mic was?
What?
There was a jackhammer in your mic, dude. It was really loud.
Oh, no? Why?
Did you not hear it?
No, actually I didn't. What? What's so funny? I don't know what's going on.
Watch it happen again. Hey, yo, join the game. What the? Really, Nick? Really?
What, dude? It's on the radio.
I don't have enough room in my storage for her to play yet.
Dude, I should steal some oxygen tanks and throw them at people.
Start the game, yo. 1v1.
Oh, is everyone in here?
Yeah, 1v1.
No, Brad's not in here. Brad, get in here.
Get in here, Brad.
Dude, I can't. I have to do some stuff really quick.
Alright, you'll be some Moab off you then.
No, hold on, I'm coming.
Too late.
Oh, Crusher! It's okay, bud, I'm coming too. Oh, wait. Never mind.
I'm about to use the bogus ass class on you.
So, you haven't even talked to your parents about the trip yet?
No.
Why not?
Cause, I don't know. Got a lot of things going this summer.
Uh-huh. You don't have anything.
Not yet.
All you have to do is... What, your college application?
Yeah. I should have that done by now, but I keep forgetting to get my transcript.
Bro, how do you forget your transcript?
I don't know. I don't want to go. I keep forgetting to schedule an appointment with Miss Beata or whatever her name. But, yeah.
Bro, you better do it. Wait, what happens if you don't get it done by the time the trip happens? Are you not gonna go?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to get it in there because I'm not gonna have school anymore. How am I supposed to get a transcript if I don't have access to the lady? They're really screwing.
Pick a bogus one up.
They're screwing me over a little bit here.
Yeah, it's like, hey guys, I got all A's all through high school. I'm smart.
I'm legit, dude.
Get a crank or something.
It's funny because I do my math worksheets in crayon sometimes.
I do too.
Get off of me!
I have nothing else. Get off me, man!
Wow. Okay, this is cool.
On that good cushion alcohol.
You don't even do crush.
To you. Ah! I thought you were a tree or something. I was like, what is this? I walked by it again. I'm like, what is... Oh, okay. Ah!
Ooh! No!
Behind me.
It's mine! Oh, mine! I win.
It's mine, man! Oh, it's a paper.
Yeah, bitches.
I didn't even know what. Why do I have a pistol? Anyways, come here, Ethan. I have a surprise for you.
Ooh, your ass was like this.
Oh,
Don't invite me.
I'm a rage boy. Oh, what's that? And then it's really pushing alcohol. On the day I fall.
Oh,
What
shit.
happened? Oh. I wasn't even paying attention. I was staring at my laptop. I thought you killed me. That stupid Pavlo. Ah! Stupid Pavlo's going in, man.
Oh, yeah. That'll happen.
Will it?
What the hell? I'm about to win because of that Pablo. I want you to know that.
It's not oh, you're not. Hold up, man.
Dude, guys, my brother's gonna kill me.
Aw, bruh.
No. I'm freaking serious, guys. I'm not joking.
Huh?
No, seriously, I'm not gonna kill me.
You
Guys,
woke
seriously,
up.
stop. It's not funny.
What?
What happened?
I lost my brother's head. Find it.
What was he whispering about? I have music playing in the background, dude. I can't hear him.
He said he lost his brother's headset.
Oh.
Oh well, Cass, that's a big deal.
No.
Oh, look at that.
I am. I'm sitting in the
God damn
house,
it.
in the only room
I
I'm
was sitting in the house. Hey, Ethan, heads up.
Enemy UAV spotted. I'm ready for war, and all my niggas gonna ride with me. That shotty hit him up.
Shoot me. Shoot me, son.
Got you.
Oh, there you are.
Guess what gun I'm using?
Alright. Fair enough, man. My turn. Do this. Come here. Want to snipe? Where you at? I don't like this, man. I can't see you. Looks like right behind me. Doing circles with me. I was partially right.
Oh!
Yeah, bro, I was just following you around the whole time. John Jeezy at 2. Oh.
This thing is like the best quick scoping gun. It's not even fair.
Dude, this actually is pretty good. Hang on.
What?
I think I win.
Oh no, there it goes.
Oh, never mind.
False alarm, false alarm.
I stayed, man. Oh, I farted.
Oh.
Come on now. Come on. Dude, who got the X?
I'm ready for war. That shotty hit him up. Turn his body to a Christmas tree.
Christmas tree! Ah!
That was a pretty funny kill. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, good. Turn up.
Watch out, Mike. I'm recording.
Well, since when did they give you 99 for sniper?
Yeah, that brother has a good question. Since when did they give you 90? Oh, I must have picked him up.
This is free throw.
I lose this one. It's the first time I lost in a free throw with USU. Whatever.
Oh shit, Ethan, here we go. It's your song, man.
Oh shoot.
Okay, enough of that shit.
Cause then you know who you are.
Well, I did not surprise me with that song.
Bro, that was the song. Hey. Use that ink in that paper. I'm ready for war, and all Mike's gonna ride with me. That shotty hit him up, turn his body to a Christmas tree. GTA shit. Young face, beat a click.
Dead.
Oh.
Oh. I was trying to get it down.
Ooh, shows my kill. Nice.
Oh. I felt like it was necessary.